Dreamy. Taste.
Hey friends!
Today we are drawing a cap. Let's get started! We will start by drawing a semicircle shape. Now, draw a top button. Let's draw some lines in the cap. Now to complete the cap, we will draw a bill. Coloring time! Pink! Orange. Green. Yellow. Blue. And it's done. Bye, friends. Let's meet in the next video. And do like the video and subscribe our channel for such videos. Also share with your friends.